coaching. It's like watching a film and not being allowed to switch it off. It might be bad in the middle, but as long as the ending's good, it's worth watching.
Being a coach can be quite grueling. There are lots and lots of rewards from it, winning and being a part of that success with your players. But there's the other side of things where if we don't look after ourselves, then it's going to affect the people around us. When we set up the project, we looked at many different topics to work with a group of Welsh coaches that we wanted to take on a journey to develop, upskill. One of the topics was mental health and coach wellbeing, because there's not a lot out there.
A relational approach to mental health is something that we take here in Sport Wales for understanding people. When you're thinking about the stresses a coach goes through, you can expect some burnout or high levels of anxiety. So they're normal reactions based on what they're having to live through every day. What we're not doing is trying to identify problems in people and treat those people and remove those problems. Our focus is how do we look after people when they're experiencing any level of stress? And we do that through relationships, safe, trusted relationships.
In Wales, for example, there aren't many full-time badminton coaches, so it's amazing to actually talk to other coaches and just sort of go, what issues are you having? What issues am I having? And just sort of seek comfort and realise you're not alone. So those workshops are really important. Now it's more trying to sort of share my experiences or hear the other experiences from other coaches and sort of go, okay, what else could I do?
One of the things at Badminton Wales we feel that they've taken on really well is the understanding that people act normally based on abnormal situations and things that have happened to them. And that is in the focus of how they're supporting people when it comes to mental health.
We've created now a bit of a network between the coaches that they're all supporting and working together to try and get your best energy, which has a massive impact on the players and the people around you.
A relational approach to mental health is something that can benefit all sports across Wales. We're delivering workshops that are tailored to you and your sport and your environment. So if you're interested, please get in contact with us.